Okay, I'm going to continue with the phonetic alphabet. And we did yesterday, I showed a pretty good example of how it worked. And so I'm going to just reiterate that and then continue from that point. Okay, now phonetic alphabet is basically a way of taking numbers and adding sounds to them. So you can make nouns, you can make pictures that you memorize. And that's, you're able to do a lot with. You can use it for like phone numbers, for dates, for anything you want really, because everything you can make lists of things. Applications are endless, and it's just it's an incredible system. So I want to share it with you and make sure you understand this. This is really a 0, not really a 10. Okay, so we have the sounds, and we have number 1 was a T, okay, and 2 was an N, 3 was an M, 4 was R, 5 was L, 6 was like sh or ch sound, 7 was a hard C or K sound, collar, kite, cat. 8 was V or F. 9 was, it's like you can use it for point. Peak, P, 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 also B. Okay. And then also, I need to note that T, there's also a D sound with that, because T and D. So those are pretty much what you have. And then the soft C or S makes 0. Okay? So you can make things up. Now, let's say you had a number like this here, and it was like, let's say 7284937642. Let me go 6891 82 16 and 77. Okay, long number. Now what you do is you would take the sounds and then make a noun for every group of 2. Okay, so here this would be the k, na, the v, ra, the pa, ma, ka, sha. Okay, again, it's the same sound here. It's ra, na, it's sh. Okay, va or it's like a V or an F, va or fa. Again, this is P or B, pa or ba. And this is ta, fa, na. Again, ta or da, sh, and then ka twice. Okay. So what you have here, well, you could make this into a can. Now what you do is when you do this, you only use consonants. You don't use any vowels. So vowels are placeholders, because there's no word that doesn't have a vowel in it, right? So they're just placeholders. So it's can. This would be like F and R. So you say fur. This is a B, O, M, and it's a silent. Okay, like bomb. Okay, which bomb or bam. You can use to say bam. This you can use it. It can be like chef. Okay, write it out. Chef. Rain. It's, I'm sorry. This is right. This would be chef. This would be a coach. Okay, I want to make a mistake. K sound. Coach. Okay. This would be a chef. Okay. Bat. This would be a band, and this could be, now I use different things with certain numbers that I use all the time, and this to me is not something I'm going to talk about, but I want to show you how I do this. This would be a T and a ch. So you can make this into like teach. You can say teacher, or you could say beach, okay, or ditch. Okay, I'll just tell you what I'm doing here. I use a different system, and I call this candy. Okay, but I won't tell you why. That's why. Look, I say I don't know what I don't do with this. The same I would tell you, but the phonetic sounds here would be a t and a ch. Okay, so you can say teach, teach. Okay, so you say a teacher. Work it out like that. This would be a K and a K. So that would be kick. Again, you can do a lot with that. So what I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to use this, and we're going to just make the first 10 words of your permanent list that you're going to use until you get to 100, and then we'll be able to go from there. So let's just start. Okay. So number 1, we're going to use the T sound. And you can use the word tie. Okay? Tie. That'll work. Number 2, it's N sound. I like to use Noah, like Noah's Ark. Just use that. Again, you can use anything you want. Just give me a quick example. 3, you could say it's ma, like your mother. Or you could even say it's me, it's yourself. Makes a difference. 4, okay, you're going to use the R sound. Okay, you can use rye. Okay, or you can use ray, like the sun. 5, okay, 5 would be like law. That works. Like a lawyer, law, policeman, someone in law, judge, law. Okay, move over here. Let's do number 6. Number 6 is SH. It could be a shoe. Okay, make that look right. Shoe. Number 7. Okay. Now number 7 is the k sound. K sound. Now like collar. Okay. Now what you could do here is simply use this for cow. Easy. Cow. 8. You can say ivy. Okay, using that. Or if you're using the F, you would say fox. Okay. Number 9. Number 9 could be a B. Okay. Because you're using the B sound instead of the T sound, or the P sound, excuse me. So I like to use a B. It's easy to see it with a B. Okay. And 10 would be a combination. So it would be toes. Okay. It might confuse you because one is toes on the list, but still, it's the sound. Okay. It's the phonetics. It's the S sound and the T, so it's toes. So you can make a story, but the point is, it's not important to memorize so much as to conceptualize. So you know that you have the sound ta, na, ma, so on and so forth. So I'll leave you at that unless you take this list and do what you want with it. Make your own list of 10, or use mine, and try to just work on it to the point where we get to 100. Okay. And again, don't try to memorize it. so much that it becomes a burden. Just let it kind of go into your psyche. It makes sense, okay? But don't spend a lot of time making this something that is going to make your life difficult. My life is hard enough as it is. I want you to use this as a very easy technique. It's very natural. Again, I'm giving you the body list that you can use to keep that in your mind, because you carry your body with you. So very quickly, I'll just kind of draw a diagram of the body again. And remember that we utilize that for the list, okay? You don't use your arms. It's not important. Okay. So we have 1 was toes, 2 was knees, 3 was your thigh muscles, 4 was your right side, 5 was your left side, 6 was your shoulders, CHSH, 7 was your collar, 8 was the face, okay, so V or F, 9 was the peak, okay, so P or B sound, and then above that was the ceiling or the sky, okay, that's a C. It's ceiling or the sky. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so you have that. And again, you can review that as much as you want, but that's your body. That's where things are located, and those are the sound that you need. So if you forget them, you're carrying them with you all the time. Okay. So again, let's go over that, review that, make sure it's clear, and get your first 10 memorized, conceptualized, and we'll come back tomorrow with the next set. Okay. Thanks for watching. Again, please review this. Please give me some comments if you find it's beneficial for you. Subscribe for more. And again, this is a very important list, and there's lots of things I'm going to be doing in the future to make sure that this list is going to help you in ways that you probably never thought of. This is John Morrison from Life Academy. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.